Much, Shruti ma'am, for nice words and welcome. And once again, very good morning to all of you who are present here. And today we are here with some purpose, right? So the purpose is very clear with the picture you can see. Today we are going to commemorate National Entrepreneurship Day. And you all know is very relevant in today's business dynamics. So on behalf of Institution's Innovation Cell of IMT College of Management, I, Sushil Shukla, as IIC member, is going to contribute and share the insights and experience whatever I gain related to the session and topic. Okay? So first of all, there is a question. Why at all there is a lot of focus of entrepreneurship in India? And not only in India, across the globe there is a tremendous focus on entrepreneurship. So what is entrepreneurship? Anyone from the audience? Let me hear from you. Because this session should have been interactive, right? It is not just one-way speech or lecture. Because you all are doing a professional course of BBA or other courses and programs, you all are having a lot of potential to excel in your respective field, whether you are going to do some job in a company or you want to be a business owner or entrepreneur in the future, right? So with that kind of potential future which is already there ahead, you can participate with a lot of curiosity. What is entrepreneurship? Anyone from the audience, what is entrepreneurship? Or who is an entrepreneur? No response? Any idea how an entrepreneur is different from traditional business person? Okay, please. तो कोई भी जो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है वो एंटरप्रेन्योर होता है क्या? There are traditional business person or business owner and there are entrepreneurs. So do you think there are differences? So first of all, thank you so much that you have courage and guts to speak whatever you know and understand. But I will clear further, right? So an entrepreneur is a person who is having innovative and creative approach towards solving problem of the people of the society. So what is the raw material and important aspect of any entrepreneurship journey? That is problem. You might be surprised that nobody actually likes to have problems in professional life or personal life, but still throughout life you encounter simple, complex, difficult or easy problems. Every day, every moment we are interacting with the problem, encountering the problems. So how you respond to the problem, how you handle the problem, how you solve the problem, that you are basically learning in your professional journey, right? So if there are no problems, can any business run without problems? If in the entire business ecosystem no problems are there, any business cannot exist, because every business is solving some or the other problem of the people of the society. Do you agree or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
You take any solution, it is solving some or the other problem, right? So to celebrate any day like this, basically we want to remind our youth, which is having tremendous potential to excel in the days to come, to leverage their energy, leverage their potential, and putting and channelizing their skill and efforts in the right direction so that they can really do wonders. Because if youth of the country is not channelizing their energy and potential, it's very difficult for any country, any nation to prosper. Okay, so don't underestimate yourself. You are having tremendous possibilities and potential to do your best. And your best can be defined by you and of course under the guidance and mentorship and coaching by your mentors and guide. Because sometimes you are not enough to have the right approach or right solution or right idea. And there is the importance of your mentors, guides and coaches. And that's why you are joining an institute and taking advantage of all these resources, which is online or offline, right? So entrepreneur is a person who is always having very innovative and creative approach towards solution of the problem of the people of the society in a respective sector. Okay? It means problems are the real ingredients for any entrepreneur to start entrepreneurship. Okay? What are the other qualities of entrepreneurs? Good communication skill, self-motivated, very good, leadership quality, and always updated what is going in the market, having a lot of market research and insights, having relevant problem of the people of the society in a respective sector. Okay? It means problems are the real ingredients for any entrepreneur to start entrepreneurship. Okay? What are the other qualities of entrepreneurs? Good communication skill, self-motivated, very good, leadership quality, and always updated what is going in the market, having a lot of market research and insights, having relevant and updated knowledge always, because an entrepreneur has to be competitive in the market. And for being competitive in the market, you have to stay relevant and updated in terms of whatever field and area you are working with, whatever field and area you are exploring your entrepreneurial journey in terms of product and services. So that's why it is very, very essential to always stay updated, refer right resource. Now in the journey of entrepreneurs, any journey which is having future, which is having potential, which is having a lot of possibility, is never smooth. How many of you agree? And the things which are easy are not very good. Okay? So if you want special outcomes in any journey and efforts, you need special efforts and a lot of focus and hard work and smart work. Then only you can get some outcomes which are really different from normal. So in entire business ecosystem, there are so many entrepreneurs, young budding entrepreneurs who are entering in the market, and within 6 months or years they are winding up. What may be the reason? Anyone? There are so many startups happening in India, but within 1 or 2 years they are winding up. What may be the key reasons? Anyone from the audience? Lack of adequate investment, lack of funding, very good. Clap for him. Anyone? Any other inputs?
Mentorship.
Mentorship means you don't have right homework and market research before jumping to the entrepreneurial journey. So before starting anything, you have to do your homework very thoroughly. Very meticulously you have to do the homework. Why? Because you are planning your entrepreneurial journey for success, not for failures. Do you agree? And success never comes simply. You need to do a thorough homework, market research, to understand what is going on in the market. Because the business is already running. Your problem might be very specific, very special, and then who is the audience? What solution you are going to offer? Is it really going to solve the problem of the people of the society? Is it really going to add value to the expectation of the customer and end user? Or it is really solving the pain points of the people or end user of the society? So if answers are yes, then definitely you can say that you are at the right path. What is the relevance of continuous improvement in the entrepreneurial journey? Suppose 2 years back you started a startup in any respective area and field, and after 2 years, even after every 6 months or year or quarter, you have to continuously review your performance in terms of funding, in terms of skill set, in terms of training, in terms of market product and features. You have to compare the products also. What are the products or what are the competitive market? What is the strength of our competition? Are we really updating our product and services? So everything is to be taken care while continuously improvising your products in terms of features. Because if you are not improving your product and services, what may happen? If you are not innovating your product, if you are not competitive in the market, if you are not truly understanding the requirement of the end user and customer, what may happen? What is the risk? Anyone? Very good. Clap for him. So, I have told that market में कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन है और कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन को बीट करने के लिए हमें लगातार प्रयास करना होगा, लगातार अपडेट करना होगा, लगातार इनोवेशन करना होगा. आज की डेट में जो प्रोडक्ट्स मार्केट में नहीं है वो क्यों नहीं है? बिकॉज राइट टाइम पे उन्होंने इनोवेट नहीं किया, अपने प्रोडक्ट एंड सर्विस को अपडेट नहीं किया, अपग्रेड नहीं किया. और इसका कारण ये रहा कि जिसने अपग्रेड और अपडेट किया वो मार्केट लीडर है और जिसने नहीं किया वो मार्केट से बाहर है. सो एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जर्नी इज अ सीरियस बिजनेस. इट इज नॉट a charity and time pass business, because you are investing huge amount of money, you are investing lot of skill set and resources, you are investing your time and energy.
Wherever you are, if you are having fixed mindset, nobody can help you. Always ready for change for good, not change for bad. Again, change for good. ऐसा चेंज जिसमें आपको फायदा हो, ठीक है? उस चेंज के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहना है. सो चेंज इज ऑलवेज नेसेसरी एंड कांस्टेंट एंड वेरी वेरी अनअवॉइडेबल सिचुएशन. अगर आप चेंज नहीं होना चाहोगे तो इंप्रूव कैसे करोगे? चाहे बिजनेस है, चाहे आप कैरियर में हो, चाहे लेट्स से स्किल है. आज जो स्किल है, आप अगर वैसा मानते हो कि आपकी स्किल सफिशिएंट, जो मुझे आता है सर सफिशिएंट है, आने वाले 10 साल बाद भी वो काम आएगी क्या? अगर आप अपडेट नहीं करोगे तो हु विल आस्क यू? आपकी वैल्यू क्या मार्केट में? कुछ नहीं. और आपके साथ के लोग कहां से कहां पहुंच जाएंगे उस समय जब आपको कॉल करेंगे, आपके पिक्चर्स दे देंगे, तो आपको कैसा फील होगा? काश मैंने भी कुछ किया होता तो आज हम कहीं और होते. ये सारे रिफ्लेक्शन बाद हो गए, लेकिन टाइम तो चला गया. इसीलिए चेंज इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो अगेन क्लैप फॉर हिम. He has figured a very very single word but very powerful for all of you, all of us, including you. Thank you. Yes, who is the next volunteer? Volunteer shows your leadership quality. और volunteer में यहाँ कोई नहीं आता तो क्या करेंगे? They go leader. You all are leader and manager. Am I right or wrong? Right? कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है? What is your one line or one word reflection which you are having to give away? Very good, clap for him. Market research and homework, understanding about the customer requirement and needs is very very essential. इसके बिना मार्केट में आप उतर के करोगे क्या? आपको समझ ही नहीं है, मार्केट में रिसर्च ही नहीं किया कि क्या प्रोडक्ट सर्विस ऑलरेडी चल रहे हैं और क्या और हो सकते हैं, ये कैसे पता लगेगा? क्योंकि मार्केट में आप सीरियस बिजनेस करने जा रहे हो, कोई मजाक नहीं. ठीक है, थैंक यू. Who is the next volunteer? Yes.
सर मेरा पर्सनल बिलीफ है, अगर किसी को अपना बेसिकली पर्सनल टाइम ज़्यादा स्पेंड उसको सर अगर इतना ज़्यादा सोशली नहीं एक्टिव रहना है, उसको अपना पर्सनल टाइम स्पेंड करना है तो उसको ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस फॉलो करना चाहिए. मेरी बात सर अगर उसको डिफरेंट करना, कुछ बड़ा करना है तो उसे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप.
Okay. So if I take away his thought process, he is telling entrepreneurship is not for everybody. ये उनके लिए है, those who can having the guts and courage to do something different and innovative. Otherwise, traditional business, you can follow the path of traditional business if you are not having that level of courage and guts. Okay? क्योंकि ये जर्नी थोड़ा मुश्किल है, इसमें हर्डल्स भी हैं, सो स्टॉपर्स भी हैं, फिर भी आपको ओवरकम करना है. तो ये डिसीजन आपको खुद करना है कि कब आपको ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस में जाना है, कब आपको किसको एंटरप्रेन्योरल जर्नी का पाथ अडॉप्ट करना है. रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज ये जर्नी जो है इसमें बम्पी रोड्स भी होंगी, और बम्पी रोड्स में भी अगर टॉप गियर में चलोगे तो गाड़ी का और पैसेंजर का क्या हाल होगा, यू कैन इमेजिन. इसीलिए यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू चेंज द गियर्स इन व्हाट सिचुएशन. व्हेनेवर देयर आर बम्पी रोड्स यू मस्ट बी एबल टू चेंज द गियर्स एट राइट टाइम सो दैट योर जर्नी इज सेफ. इसी तरह से बिजनेस से इसको रिलेट करो तो यही हाल है. बिजनेस में भी हर्डल्स हैं, शो स्टॉपर्स हैं, अप एंड डाउन है, सब कुछ है. देयर आर सीरियस प्रॉब्लम्स. प्रॉब्लम को हैंडल करने के लिए आपको हमेशा देखना है कि कहाँ से हम बेस्ट सोल्यूशन पा सकते हैं, कहाँ से हम सोर्स कर सकते हैं, कौन सा हमारे टीम मेंबर के अंदर वो स्किल सेट एंड पोटेंशियल जिसको हम रेफर करें, कैसे सिनर्जी लाएं, कैसे हम कोलैबोरेटिव अप्रोच से बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स लाएं. वो सारी कैपेबिलिटी है, लीडरशिप है, कम्युनिकेशन है, कोलैबोरेशन है. Generally, you can be an entrepreneur. Otherwise, you can go for traditional business or entrepreneur, which is just an employee who can also do and excel in whatever you want to do. Thank you. Clap for him. Any other volunteer? Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is your reflection out of the entire discussion? If you are awake in the entire session, definitely you might be having some idea, some thought process.
What I understood from the whole session is one need to be a great problem solver to be a successful entrepreneur.
Okay, very good. Clap for her. Our takeaway is that let us not get scared with the problems, because problems are the real input and ingredient of any successful entrepreneurial journey. So don't be scared with the problems. Align all the resources to solve the problems and all the hurdles and showstoppers. Okay?
Yes, sir.
It is not that you are just छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम आई अब कोलैप्स हो गए. ये पर्सनल लाइफ में भी है, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी है, एंटरप्रेन्योरल जर्नी में भी है. डोंट गेट स्केयर्ड एंड अफ्रेड ऑफ अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम्स, बिकॉज प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो कोई बिजनेस नहीं है, कस्टमर नहीं है तो कोई बिजनेस नहीं है. इसलिए कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस पे बहुत ध्यान रखना, और एवरीथिंग इज कस्टमर सेंट्रिक. दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू डू lot of market research to understand the customer requirement. Is it? Okay. Who is the next? Don't जो आप दूसरे को बोलेगा वो वही सबसे पहले बोलेगा. ठीक है? दूसरे को नहीं, अपने बारे में सेल्फ अवेयरनेस है नहीं, दूसरे के बारे में बहुत जानकारी रहती है. ठीक है? तो दूसरे की तरफ उंगली उठाना, उससे बोलना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट, बहुत आसान है ना. ओके. So who is the next?
Creating the job.
नोट्स में लिख देता हूँ.
Creating the job.
Okay, clap for him. How many of you believe that job creation can be done through this entrepreneurial journey? Job creation,
Economic growth.
job creation, employment. उस दिशा में भी lot of contribution is there with the successful entrepreneur.